Hello students, this video is about the simple present tense part 2. We will focus on how to form the simple present tense. Please refer to page 4 of your grammar book, Grammar Explained Book 1. We need to look at the subject of the sentence when we form the simple present tense. The subject is the boss. Basically, there are two types. Type 1 includes the subject I, you, we, they, the students, John and Peter, many people, all of them. If the subject belongs to type 1, that is type 1, then we just have to write the basic form of the verb. We don't need to add s or es to the verb. However, in type 2 is different. In type 2, the subjects include he, she, it, John, Miss Chan. There is only one person who does not include I. I and you belong to type 1. Remember, besides he, she, it, type 2 subjects also include everyone, something, anybody, anyone, everybody, no one, nobody, each student. They also belong to type 2. In most situations, we need to add s and es to the verb. For example, he likes English. Everyone is quiet. She drinks water every day. However, there are some situations when we do not add s. Situation 1. When the verbs ending in a consonant and y, we need to change y into ies. Example, carry. This verb ends in a consonant r plus y. Therefore, we have to change it into carries. Y becomes ies. Another example, study. The verb study ends with a consonant d plus y, so y becomes ies. It forms studies. How about try? Try ends with the consonant r, just like carry plus y, so it becomes tries. And situation number 2, when the verbs end in ss, x, sh, ch, then we need to add es. For example, dress. The verb dress ends in ss, so we need to add es in the simple present tense after type 2 subject, like she dresses beautifully. Number 3, for the verbs end with o, we need to add es too, just like goes and does. Example, he does his homework. every day. Now you look at page 5 of your grammar book, exercise 2. We can do it together. When my mom, so my mom is she. It belongs to type 2 subject. So the answer is goes. When my mom goes shopping, she always buys. Okay, here, number 2, I want to talk about buys first. Okay, buy end with Y, but we do not change it into IES. Why? Because U is not a consonant, it is a vowel. And therefore, we don't need to change Y into IES for buy. And C, sometimes I go with her. My little sister, that is she. So D likes chocolate and I like ice cream. So mom also gets these things for us. Then when she comes home, she puts the food away. If my sister and I, two people, that is we or that is they, then we use when we are at home. We help her, or we will help her. Then mom wash. Okay, the verb wash end with sh. So we have to add es for type 2 subject. Washes. Washes the vegetables and cooks dinner. Now you look at page 7, exercise 4. Thomas Lee. Okay, actually, be is a very, very special verb. It has 8 forms. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being. So each time whenever you see be, you have to think about which form it should be used. And here, Thomas Lee is one person, a boy, so we will not am and are. And this is simple present tense, so we will not use was and were. And therefore, the best answer is. Thomas Lee is a secondary 1 student. He goes to church on Sunday morning and he plays badminton every Sunday afternoon. Okay, the given verb is missing. It should be I like sports, he says. On Sunday evening, Thomas does his homework. We use simple present tense because it talks about the facts and habits of Thomas. They are still true when we are speaking. And now look at page 8 of your grammar book. Jenny Chow. Jenny is a girl. That is she. So the answer is lives. Jenny Chow lives with her family in Mongkok. She has, we will not use have. After she, we use has. She has a job in a hospital. She works in the hospital. or Saturday night, and she comes at 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. I, okay, again, be is was, were, be, been, being. So the best one after I must be am. I am always very tired, so I sleep. You don't need to add s after I because I belong to type 1 subject. Every Sunday night, Jenny, okay, study. Consonant D plus Y, so we have to change Y into IES. Jenny studies 普通话 at an evening school. So when you have time, please do exercise 5 on page 9 and check the answers by yourself. Okay, if you want to, today we have learned how to form the simple present tense by looking at the subject of the sentence. If you want to master tenses, remember you need to study the verb table by heart. You can find the verb table on the last pages of your grammar book or the last pages of your textbook. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.